Alright, so in this video I'd like to talk about how to reduce your noise from your CPU. So that is the best settings I got. Even though I'm playing game or sometime, my CPU stay below 2000. As you can see, temperature is crazy, like 74%, but still the RPM is low, because it helps me to, I hate noises, to be honest. And when you play a really high game, for example, what game? Maybe GTA 5 or something like more higher resolutions, you can turn on the game boost, and that's all you have to do. But normally, just keep this thing down below 50%, especially the top one, like over 68 centigrade. It's better if you put it below 50%. You'll get almost no sound at all. You can also try in the fan tune, but trust me, it's not working on my CPU because I have pretty decent CPU. So anyway, so that's how you can reduce your what is called fan noises. And yeah, just one thing you have to do, just before start a game, just turn on the game boost, and that's it. Everything will be high and your CPU is running like crazy. Anyway, if this video helped you, please do subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.